everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all good. So for this video I'm going to be showing you how I make these Christmas Eve boxes, and I've got the lovely Jess helping me out as well. Hello. So if you want to see how we make them, then keep watching. So what you're going to need to make the Christmas Eve box is a box. This box is from Wooden Box UK, and I will link everything in the description. I've got a discount code as well that you can use, which is Courtney10, but I'll put all that information in the description box. Yeah, so this is a great size box, it fits loads of stuff in and it's really good quality. So the next thing you'll need is an MDF initial, so whoever you are making the box for, get their initial, and also a little snowman. So these are from, it's called MDF Workshop. They've got an Instagram page, a Facebook page, but I'll link everything below. So you don't have to get snowman, they do lots of other shapes. They've got gingerbread man, they do like sleighs, just anything Christmassy that you want on your box you can get. These are going to be painted. And for the paint, I usually just get these paints from Home Base. So this is their home brand. Got the red for the box, the white for the lid. But obviously you can paint your box any colour. Jess has actually done a grey one, which is lovely. So I'm going to show you how to do that one. And then the other stuff you'll need, we're going to write the name out on the box. So these are just rub-on transfer letters. You can get them from eBay. And again, I'll link that in the description. And then from Hobbycraft, I've just got all these cute little felt decorations. I did a video a couple of weeks ago of like a Hobbycraft and Home, what was it, Home Bargains? Yeah, and Home Bargains haul. So you can have a look at all the little ones that I've got from there. And then that is nearly it. So you've got nearly it. Just testing. You might need Podge, and that'll be for if you want to print on the top, which Jess has done. Yep. So we're going to show you that. And then we've got glitter for the snowman's hat. And is that it?
I think little bows.
Little bows for the snowman.
And little buttons.
Yes, you take over.
There we go.
And then we've got the prints. So when we're going to put the prints on the lid, I'll tell you a bit more about them. Yeah. So the first thing we've done is painted the boxes. So I have painted this box red and white, like nice traditional Christmas colours.
And then I went for a grey and white, which is just like a really light dove grey.
I love
with a white lid.
I really like the grey. Yeah, so and then with our letters, I've painted this letter like a candy stripe, red and white. For that I've used masking tape. I'll insert a clip here showing you kind of how I did that.
And then I just painted mine plain white because I'm going for more of like a neutral tones on this box.
Cool. And so next thing we're going to do is decorate the snowmen. So I've painted them white and gave them little gold hats. So now we want to decorate the snowman and make them look really nice. So for that we're going to put glitter on the top for the hats, and then give them like little bow ties and buttons, and they just look really nice when they're all done. Right, so I'm going to show Jess how to put the glitter on the snowman hat. So we've got our Mod Podge. Need this.
What is it? It's basically like PVA glue?
Yeah,
similar,
it is. It's very similar, but yeah, it's stronger. You can use it on so much stuff. This is what we'll use to put the print on the lid as well.
Okay.
Okay, so what I normally do is put our snowman upside down, and then go on these bits first. Then I normally let it dry just a little bit so it soaks in to the glue. So we've done the snowman's hats, and now we're going to make him look all pretty. Should we get a close up of our little snowman? Hello! There we go. Yeah, now we're making him look pretty. Yeah, how are you? Not even got any faces. How can we talk? So to make our snowman look pretty, we're going to use what we showed earlier. So these little red bows. So it's like he's got a little bow tie on. And then these glittery buttons. So we've got red and gold ones. So to put the little decorations onto the snowman, we're going to be using Mod Podge because it's actually really strong, and because these things are only light, it will keep them in place. So, do you want to do yours first?
Yeah.
So just a little tiny dip,
yeah,
and then put it on this bit of the bow. That's it, and then just stick it on his little neck. Now we're just going to do exactly the same thing for the buttons. Put a bit of Mod Podge on the back and then stick it on. The next thing we're going to do is put the rub-on letters onto the box so it spells out the name. So for my box that I'm making, it's going to spell out Willow.
Yeah.
And then your box
will spell out Tommy.
Woo. So what I do first to do this is I won't stick the letter on first because it's difficult to rub the letters on then. So if we put our boxes the way that we want to stick the letter, I would place the letter onto the box and then I can roughly tell where I want the rest of the name to go. So say with your box, you probably want it to start about there, wouldn't you?
Yeah.
And then just get a little marker or something, put it where you want the O to start.
Yep.
And then take the letter off, and then you kind of know where you need to write the rest of the name. Okay, so now we're going to stick the letters and the snowman onto the box. For that, I've just got this wood adhesive. This is just from Homebase, but you can get any wood glue. They're all pretty strong, do the job.
Yeah.
So yeah, let's put the glue on. So we have stuck the letters and the snowman on the box. We're just letting the glue dry. And whilst that dries, we're going to do the lids. So for Jess's lid, show me a beautiful print. How lovely
really
is that?
nice. It's like a vintage centre and reindeers.
Love that. So that image is just from Google, and then I've gone onto Canva and put it in the correct dimensions of the lid, which I can leave in the description box. And some other designs that I've done. This is just from Google as well, which is a nice vintage Father Christmas one. And then I designed these ones as well on Canva. So it's just got "'Twas the Night Before Christmas" poem on, and then a little girl and a little boy. These images, like the fireplace and the girl, are from an Etsy shop. So if you go onto Etsy, you'll get loads of people who design these kind of prints. So to put the print on the lid, you will just need to use your Mod Podge again. Mod Podge, you just need Mod Podge in your life, don't you? It can be used for so much. Yeah, we've got a little Mod Podge brush.
So I just literally just put it.
Well, I normally put it on the lid. Yeah,
that makes sense. Yeah.
Yeah, you can do it the other way actually, but it's just what I have to do. Yeah. So what I normally do is pour a bit on. Do you want to do it?
No, go on, off you go.
Is pour a bit on, not too much, otherwise it'd be too sloppy. Because you can always add more. It's hard to take it away. So yeah, we stuck it on, and Jess now is just going over it with a bit of tissue just to make sure that it doesn't bubble, because sometimes you'll get like little air pockets from it. I don't know what happens, but it's so annoying when it does. After Jess has done that, we're going to get a sanding block and sand around the edges just to make sure there's no like overhang. So the glue has dried on the boxes, and this is what they look like so far. And how nice does this lid look?
I love that.
Or this white lid, I would normally put a holly leaf on, and I'm going to insert a clip of what that looks like. But if I'm honest, I've not got the holly leaves with me today, so I can't put that on. But it does look really nice when you put the little holly leaf on. You'll see from the photo. Yeah, so now we are just going to add our decorations for in between the letter and the snowman. So Jess, show us what you chose.
Right, so I've chosen this little ambi reindeer.
It's so cute. They're from Hobbycraft them.
Yeah.
This box, to stick them on actually, we're just going to use the Mod Podge again.
Yeah.
You can use again like a little Gorilla Glue or something, but the Mod Podge works fine. So for this box, who I made it for wanted to use
Louise.
Yes, Louise.
We know that you're watching.
We know you watch our videos. Yeah, she wanted to use this little penguin. These are all the other ones you can use. There's like the cute little Santa, little fox. There's so many really lovely ones, and they're little bear, and they're all just from Hobbycraft. So go to Hobbycraft and have a field day buying them. end of the video, and this is what they look like all done. I think they look lovely. I love your grey box. I think I'm going to make myself a grey box. Please do go over to Jessie's channel and have a look at her video. She's also got lots of other crafty videos and hauls. She made an elf tree video recently, which is so good, so definitely go over and watch that as well. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a little thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to mine and Jessie's channel. Jessie's channel will be in my description box. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in another video. Bye! Bye!